MDG collections on hand. Today, March 11th, 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday I brought you guys the big event, and after that event that we had, RT Life and I went and we did another video, all right, just him and I at the very end, where I drove his car with his new pedal commander. My impressions on what I thought about the pedal commander. This was yesterday after our big event, and I gave you guys a teaser yesterday, a trailer of what's yet to come with that event. And I drove his car, and I'm telling you guys right now, this pedal commander is real. All right? I found myself in the video, as I watched it in playback, I was laughing a lot. It was a lot of laughter, all right? Well, that was laughter of disbelief. This pedal commander, I've driven this guy's car before. This pedal commander is serious, all right? It makes the car sharper. The throttle response is more sharper, it's more responsive, and it's almost surreal that an RT has that type of a kick, because I drove his car before and I know what type of kick it has, and it was not like that before. Guys, enjoy.
Mess with sport mode. You don't even need it.
Thing on now?
No.
Oh, okay. You sure?
No, it's not on.
No, but it wasn't like this last time. The throttle was more.
It's more punchy, right? More punchy. Is that what you're trying to say?
Pretty much. I mean, so wait a minute. You telling me that you didn't activate the thing?
No, it's off right now. I think it's because I was driving around with it on. The throttle, I think like the electric throttle, I think it learns what it is that you drive in. I don't know.
Learns your driving habits or your driving application to the throttle. Yeah, it just seems a little bit more snappier. And you say you definitely don't have it. It's not on.
I definitely don't have it on. It's definitely not on.
Down here. Is that it's actually, yeah, I see it. Yeah, I don't know what the hell you did, but I'm telling you right now, it's definitely more. It feels like I have no room to like as soon as I tap on it, and you say this thing's not on.
Right? It's not even on, but I think the throttle is. Yeah, it's learning.
I'm kind of scared to have the damn thing on if you're telling me it's not on.
Wait for it, man.
Yeah, I don't hit potholes.
Okay, ready? We're gonna turn it on to Sport Plus.
Oh, felt a little
Go ahead.
That thing makes a big difference. What's crazy about it is what we did at first. You didn't have it on. It was already feeling like it was a little bit more snappier to me than it did last time I drove it, just with nothing. Yeah. Dude, that thing,
right?
That
it's
thing,
so fun.
Dude, if I had an RT, I'd have to have one of those things. What the hell is that thing?
Just be careful, because it's like it's very jumpy.
Trust me, I'm not gonna listen. I'm standing back from these people. You're crazy. I'm like,
yeah, like when you have it on this mode, it's like you're tapping it. And
should I make a U-turn here?
Yeah.
Dude, that thing is that's like steroids.
It's vicious, right?
Is this thing on steroids?
Yeah.
There's no way in the world that nobody's coming, guy. Go. Yo. This thing. Yo, even in reverse, this thing is.
It's vicious, right? It makes the car feel vicious.
Is that illegal? I don't think that's legal. Is that legal to have it? I mean,
yeah, I think so.
Dude, I'm saying like for it to.
All right, let's put it in sport mode.
So wait a minute, what was that? The mode I was just in now?
Yeah, just regular driving.
I'm barely tapping the thing. I'm barely tapping. I swear, I promise to God.
I told you guys. Right? It feels vicious, right?
Oh man.
Just pulling out, you did a burnout.
Yeah. Oh man, this thing is incredible.
Discount code Growl's Garage. You're welcome, Growl.
I think I went to the wrong one.
No, you're good. Go ahead.
Yeah. This thing is serious. Dude, it's really like
it's so punchy, right?
Dude, I wouldn't let my wife, I wouldn't let anyone drive my car who's been driving my car before, thinking that now it's the same.
Yo, you could put it in eco mode too. Check this out. Is it on? Do you see a light? Oh no, you know what? I can't. Yeah, I can't. I don't know how the hell you put it on eco mode. I don't know. But there's an eco mode. I gotta read the instructions on this thing. But I think it's like one of the coolest modifications.
Man, listen, and listen, like any little tight quarters like this, man, you better. I mean, it's almost like you better just like not even like no tap. You gotta just like lay your foot on the accelerator, just like you just like link. Because if you go into tight quarters and you think, oh, it's just like the tap you did before, it's magnified. That tap is magnified. This thing makes. I'm not BSing you. This thing makes a big difference. A big difference. Like you like listen, man. If you ever give your car to some people work on your car, you can't keep this thing in there. These people wreck the whole shop up. Because if you're in tight quarters with other cars and you're trying to get into tight little spots, and you know that a mechanic or a builder, this thing,
right? Yo, when I first drove it, I was just like, is this for real? Like, is this actually?
And that's all you did was add it on that.
That's it, man. You just plug it right into your throttle, and it's just like the electronical throttle. Boom, right to your pedal, your gas pedal, and your takes 10 minutes to do it. It's just, it totally changes the dynamic of the car. It makes it so vicious.
It makes it so vicious. This is like so from the Space Center, man.
All right, guys, so that was my impressions on the pedal commander on an RT, a 5.7 liter RT. I want to thank RT Life for giving me the opportunity to drive his car. Not once, but twice, and I even launched his car the first time. So much props to him for having trusted me to be able to drive his car. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely, I would highly recommend the pedal commander if you have an RT, or a lot more responsive. The throttle will be a lot more sharp, and it's just a ton of fun. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be a wrap.